Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. So what we're going to be making today is a vegetable powder, and you'll be able to use this to make your broth. What I'm going to be using, I have a bunch of watercress, and believe me, when this is done, it's almost gonna seem like it's nothing. I have some red onions.
I have a piece of fennel that's left over. Then I also have a mishmash of some other onions in here. I'm also gonna grab a bell pepper. So this is some watercress,
various mushrooms, various onions, some fennel, and gotta get the bell pepper. So I'm gonna have like maybe a couple bell peppers that's gonna go on this. I'm not gonna blend anything up, chop anything up. Just lay it all in. And then let's slice this one down as well. How? Oh, it's a few seeds still in that one. And I'm just gonna leave it.
Just leave it open. And all of this is gonna dry out overnight. And then I'll come back and show you
what our next step is gonna be. I'm gonna put a few more mushrooms up in here though. Let's get there. I got a few portobellos I think we're gonna throw on here as well. Portobellos just give it that extra oomph. You know, the extra oomph. Alright, so this is all I'm gonna use right here except for throwing those portobellos on. And then they're going right into the oven. And I have my oven turned on at like about 150, and this is gonna go on all night.
And let me tell you something. The smells on this, oh, this is gonna smell so good. And then overnight, oh my gosh, you're gonna want to get up and eat it.
Alright you guys, so now it is day 2. And it is time to check on our vegetables.
That's getting out. Get it out, get it out, get it out.
Everything's all dried up. Here are the peppers that I put in.
And the mushrooms, the onions. So we're going to take, let's just get it off the paper. And you see how all of that
watercress just went down to like nothing. Like, look at this. It's like, there's like nothing there.
It's like when you're cooking some greens and you put a whole pot.
A whole bushel or two inside of a pot, and you come out with like nothing left. Yeah, so there we go.
So now I'm just going to take all of this
and put it inside of my blender cup and blend it down into a powder, and make sure that they are dry. So you hear that, you know they're dry. Look at it, it just looks like it's a bunch of foliage.
I just went outside and just grabbed a bunch of foliage and just tossed it
right inside of my, and I promise I didn't do that, but it looks like it's just a bunch of foliage that's just right inside of my cup. Doesn't smell like it though. Doesn't smell like it. Now on top of this, you're gonna put in some salt. I keep forgetting stuff, man. Okay, hold on. Gosh, it's not even over there. It's up here. Okay. So in addition to all this foliage in here,
we're gonna put in some sea salt.
If you want, put in like some cayenne pepper, a few other seasons of your favorite. And now I'm just gonna get all this blended up. I'm gonna measure it. Let's put it inside of a measuring cup.
So it made that made a half of a cup.
But you see that?
It's powder.
This is done. Vegetable powder. This is the same way that I do my mushrooms. Oh, it got my throat. Woo! But as I was saying, before some of the powder went up my nose and tried to choke me, this is the same way that I do my mushroom powder. I don't know why I hadn't thought about doing the fruits this way before I saw Robert's video. I mean, it's so simple, right? It's so simple it makes you go, why the hell did I think of that? But here's your vegetable powder. If you found this video useful at all, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, leave me a comment if you decide to make your own vegetable powder. So I use it in broth, greens, anywhere that you would need a vegetable broth. This is where you could use your powder. And there you go. And always remember to adjust your seasons for taste, because it is your taste bud it is your taste buds that matter. Thanks again.